Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson where I'm going to show you how to draw the face and also how to color it using two mediums like pencils and markers. So to begin with, start by drawing an oval shape, and I usually start from the head and then I push my pencil with downward strokes and form the shape, and I will also draw the neck a bit to just give a support to the face, and I will show you how to give the shadows and sculpt the face. While drawing the nose, I don't usually draw the whole of it but just the tip of the nose. Understanding symmetry is very necessary here. You can take the help of dots and lines to measure your eyebrows and eyes and everything, and slowly just bring everything all together. For the nose here, I am drawing the nostrils, and for the lips, first you can draw the inner line and you can connect both the lips along with the line. So this is a trick you can follow. Once you are satisfied with your pencil work, you can go ahead and line everything with a fine liner. For the base color, I am using Promarker in shade Putty, and to begin with, you can first highlight or color the areas where you can think will cast shadows, like the chin and cheekbones and under the face. So you can go all over with your marker and color everything. You can see that the way I'm coloring, I've kept some white highlights in the forehead, and that's just giving a dimension in the forehead, and that's how the shadows will work, like darker in the corners and lighter in the center. I'm just putting more emphasis on the cheekbones and applying some shadows in the chin area, below the lips, and near the nose, keeping the center of the nose little lighter. And you can see half of the work is already done, and now we will move towards the pencils. While working with pencils too, you should apply very little pressure and try moving your hands in circular motion and keep the strokes very uniform. For the lips, I am using a gel pen in red color. The more you want to sculpt your face, the darker pencil color you can use to just give light strokes near the cheekbones and under the nose, in the chin area, and that's how your face will appear in a more 3D dimension. The last thing you draw in a face is the eyebrows and the eyes. So you can either choose a brown or a black shade to draw the brows and the eyes, and you can apply some lashes. I usually keep the lower lash line blank, or you can say white. That just makes the eyes look bigger and wider. I am drawing another front facing face, and I'll show you a different technique where you can use just pencils to sculpt your face. And yeah, you can use the scale to help you with the jawline and everything. And I'm also adding the neck here so that I can show you how to apply the shadows. While working with pencils, it's very important to blend everything very well, otherwise the pencil strokes can appear too harsh. Adding intensity slowly and layer by layer is needed. So after you have applied the first strokes of colors, you can go to darken the edges and the cheekbones and the corners, and you can add your depth but keeping the highlighted area blank, and that's how you can slowly build the sculpting of the face. For the brows here, I am using a darker shade of brown. This will make the brows look natural and fuller. After you have filled in the lips, you can add some black shadows in the corners. It will put some emphasis on the lips and make the lips look fuller. You can add some white gloss to your lips using a white gel pen. If you want your highlighted area to be on the yellowish side, you can add some ivory tone to it. I will be making another video on drawing the face and sculpting it using the watercolor mediums. Very quickly I am showing you the shades from the Polychromos range, which are very suitable for drawing the skin tones and faces and illustrations. I hope this was useful enough, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, everybody.